Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We purchased some indoor flag poles and flags, and in today's video we're going to show you how to install spreaders. And spreaders give it that more professional, presentable appearance. All right, DIYers, in the room where I have the flags, and I do not have the flags in the final position or spot I'm going to put them. However, here's the state flag, and you'll notice this part here just clips over the pole itself. I've got it about 1.5 inches above the brass portion where the poles screw into each other. And then you can actually shift each rod outward and bring the flag down to the position you want it and clip it into place with these little clips. And that's what the right side looks like. And then to the American flag, I did the same thing. Secure the clip just about 1.5 inches above where the poles meet or brass portion, and extended the rods outward and clip the flags in place. What I'll do now is position the flags and show you the end result. At this point, the flags are in position and they basically frame in the safe. And this is a very important step. Make sure you position the American flag in the right position. And there are several laws that you have to abide by. These are indoor flag poles, and you have to position the American flag where it has superior prominence on the flag next to it. So in our case, the flag is on our left. However, if we were on a podium or standing at that safe looking outward to the audience, meaning back toward us, the American flag has to be on the right-hand side. And again, that is the position of where we stand on the podium looking out at the audience. We have our state flag here, which has to be on the left of the podium. So hopefully this helps. All right, DIYers, we are outside, and this is the Old Glory flag pole, and it is an extremely friendly DIY install. And in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to install that, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We appreciate it, and we thank you for watching. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.